1, 2. Whoa! That's a good one. Man, that one. There you go.
My name is Spencer Lee. I'm here for the Integrated Manufacturing Systems Engineering Program, or IMSEI, and I'm sponsored by the Smart Scholar, which is a DoD program. This project was conceptualized with a friend of mine years ago. We thought it would be interesting to use something based around a mortar system, which is what I was accustomed to in the military, to disperse seeds for reforestation. We're all familiar with deforestation for housing and other projects of that nature, and we wanted something that was simple and easy to use. Today, we are working with high pressure air to launch 3D printed rockets to disperse seeds. So the importance of this project is to allow either forestry agents or individuals that want to assist in replanting to actually disperse those seeds without putting themselves in harm's way. Currently, there are individuals that do walk through these areas and hand plant trees. This is to allow us to stand off to the side, dictate where we want to send it, fill the system, launch, watch it go, and we don't have to worry about recovering it, we don't have to worry about injuring ourselves, and it'll disperse these little seed pods. So you'd have two little peat discs, and you have a seed in between the two, sandwiched together, and when it hits, this gets dispersed out. When it rains, it expands, helps the seed germinate, and then off you go.